Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Huobi Global. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, the features of the Huobi token and stablecoin, some of the best wallets to use, and more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Huobi Global is a popular centralized cryptocurrency exchange with more than 10 million clients worldwide. This company was founded in China in 2013 by Leon Li and Du Zheng and has 2 digital asset trading licenses, a compliance license, and a Hong Kong asset management license. Huobi offers more than 500 cryptocurrencies for spot trading, margin trading, peer-to-peer trading, as well as derivatives trading, along with plenty of other financial services such as staking, crypto loans, robot trading, and dual investments. Once you have opened your account, you will be eligible for several types of rewards and bonuses, and you will also have access to a variety of educational resources, which is why we recommend Huobi Global to beginners. The Huobi customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via live chat and several other social media channels. We also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if your questions have already been answered and to read all the latest company news. There are also plenty of helpful guides provided regarding managing your account as well as making deposits and withdrawals. Whether you're simply looking for a safe exchange to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, or you are looking for a more sophisticated and complete product offering, from low-cost trading and high-return staking to Web3 compatibility and crypto loans, you will find it here. Huobi offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies that can be traded peer-to-peer or on spot markets. You can also multiply your investments with Huobi's margin trading system, and there are various derivatives products that you can trade, such as coin futures, coin perpetuals, and USDSM contracts. If you've never traded derivatives, you can find beginner's guides under the Derivatives Overview section of the website. If you have never traded at all, and it is your first time buying crypto, head over to the Learn tab to view all the introductory guides and tutorials that you can use to learn all about crypto trading, from beginner to advanced. The guides provided will teach you all about staking, risk management, crypto trading strategies, and more. There are plenty of insightful articles that you can read to help you understand the psychology of trading. If you are planning on doing more than just trading cryptocurrencies, we recommend checking out the options under the Finance tab to see what else Huobi offers. By signing up with Huobi, you will have a number of options for increasing your earnings. You can stake the cryptocurrencies you're not buying or selling to earn up to 50% interest on them annually. Staking is one of the safest ways to earn a profit on your digital assets without actually selling them, and it is also a fantastic way to make your crypto work for you when the markets are volatile. Huobi also gives free airdrops on newly listed tokens to all their clients who lock in their tokens. And this is similar to staking. However, instead of staking your crypto to earn interest, you lock it into a pool to earn exclusive rewards. Another way you can earn with Huobi is through the Polkadot slot auction. By participating in this program, you'll be given an opportunity to cast votes on projects that are launching on Polkadot. Your DOT tokens will be locked in, and if the project bid fails, your tokens will be unlocked and returned to you. However, if the project wins a bid, you will be rewarded. Instead of buying crypto, you can take out a loan to get the cryptocurrencies you want, by using the cryptocurrencies you have as collateral. This is another safe and productive way to make the most out of your digital assets without actually buying or selling them. In addition to the earning mechanisms on Huobi's platform, they also give their clients daily, weekly, and monthly rewards. There is a welcome bonus, a daily airdrop, a weekly staking reward, and a monthly exclusive box reward. We recommend visiting the Huobi Rewards Hub to find out more about the rewards they offer. Simply click on the Rewards Hub button in the top right corner of the screen on the menu bar. Huobi Global also has an investment arm for blockchain projects and new crypto assets, as well as a cloud solution for businesses and institutional clients who would like to upgrade their systems and processes with blockchain technology. Developers can also build on the Huobi Eco Chain, called Eco Chain, which is a public chain that can process more than 500 transactions per second, and it has cross-chain functionality with low gas fees and Ethereum RPC interface compatibility. Not only is Huobi one of the most trusted centralized crypto exchanges, but they also have a keen interest in decentralized finance systems, and Huobi DeFi Labs was launched for the research, investment and incubation of DeFi projects, and the development of lending systems, decentralized exchanges, derivatives, and more. You can also automate your trades with Huobi's advanced trading bots, and you can easily switch between manual and automated trading directly from the exchange's interface. With regards to tokenomics, there are two tokens that are used in the Huobi ecosystem. The first is the Huobi Token, which is primarily used for applications and reward systems. There is a total supply of 50 million Huobi tokens, and this is the main ecosystem token that powers Huobi's blockchain. The second token you'll find on Huobi's website is the Huobi stablecoin, or HUSD. It is an ERC20, TRC20, and HECO, or Huobi EcoChain, compatible token that is pegged on a one-to-one basis to the US dollar. You can redeem your Huobi stablecoins for US dollars, or keep them stored in your wallet to earn rewards. There are a number of wallets that you can use to store your Huobi stablecoins, and once you own this coin, you can use it on applications such as Zapper, Pilot, and DeFi Box. Some of the third-party wallets that are most commonly used to store Huobi stablecoins are MetaMask, Math Wallet, and Alpha Wallet. However, we would recommend using the Huobi wallet or the iToken wallet to get the most out of your coins. The Huobi software wallet offers multi-chain support and compatibility with over 20 types of crypto wallets. With a built-in DApp and DeFi browser, this wallet uses advanced encryption algorithms and supports 13 stablecoins and all major cryptocurrencies. You can also use the iToken Web3 wallet. This wallet has more than 10 million users globally, and it is an all-in-one wallet for browsing decentralized applications, collecting NFTs, as well as for staking, storing and trading more than 1 million cryptocurrencies. It also has multi-chain support with built-in market analysis. You can download this wallet as a mobile application or use it as a cloud wallet. You can easily create an account with Huobi Global in a few easy steps. Firstly, launch the Huobi Global homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. What you'll want to do next is submit your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If you were referred by a friend, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, you'll want to verify your email address and account, as well as submit any necessary documentation. Once your account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. After you have created your account, there are a number of ways to buy crypto with Huobi. You can easily buy crypto using fiat currencies and your debit or credit card, or even third-party payment applications. You can also make bank wire deposits or buy crypto directly from other users on the peer-to-peer exchange. If you already own cryptocurrencies, you can use the built-in Huobi currency converter to convert more than a dozen cryptocurrencies instead of buying them. In order to buy crypto, simply click on the Buy Crypto tab. So, what do we like about Huobi Global? Huobi Global is more than just a cryptocurrency exchange. It is a platform where you can buy cryptocurrencies, stake cryptocurrencies, explore the world of DeFi, and learn all about blockchain technology and derivatives trading. By signing up with Huobi, you will be trading crypto with one of the safest exchanges in the world. And they offer hundreds of cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell. Whether you are searching for the most popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or tokens and coins from DeFi applications and protocols, Huobi has it all. If you are interested, be sure to open your account with Huobi Global today to claim your welcome bonus and to start trading on one of the safest and most popular crypto exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of Huobi Global. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comment section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.